Welcome to part 77 of Daily English. Today's situation. School and work, asking for help. Could you help me, please? Example. Could you help me, please? I'm having trouble with this task. I need some help. Example. I need some help with this project. Can you show me how to do it? Example. Can you show me how to use this software? I don't know what to do. Example. I don't know what to do next. Could you explain it to me? Example. Could you explain it to me one more time? No problem. Example. No problem. I'm happy to help. Thank you so much. Example. Thank you so much for your help. I really appreciate it. Example. I really appreciate your support. You're welcome. Example. You're welcome. Anytime. Mini conversation. Employee, could you help me, please? I don't know what to do. Coworker, of course. Can you show me the problem? Employee, yes. Could you explain it to me? Coworker, no problem. I'll show you how to do it. Employee, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Daily tip. Everyone needs help sometimes. Don't be afraid to ask questions or request assistance. Most people are happy to help when you ask politely and show appreciation. Speaking challenge. Imagine you're having difficulty with a school assignment or a work task. Ask someone for help, explain your problem, ask them to show you how to do it, thank them, and finish the conversation using at least 5 sentences. Subscribe for part 78. Continue learning English with Avetra edu.